Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by duplicating the image and checking resolution. Don't work on the original. Once done, inspect the blur type, motion, out of focus, or compression. You apply gentle denoising first because sharpening amplifies noise. Set it low, around 10–30%. Then convert to a smart object or use non-destructive layers so you can iterate. Make sure to toggle zoom at 100% to judge true detail. This gets you ready to run focused deblurring and selective sharpening next. You now perform the core deblurring. Choose a deconvolution or dedicated deblur tool and estimate the blur kernel if required. Once applied, add a high-pass layer at 25px and set it to overlay or soft light to restore edge contrast. Lower opacity to balance. Make sure to mask the effect to affect text only, preserving backgrounds. If text still looks soft, duplicate the high-pass layer and reduce opacity to 30–50%. Repeat selectively to build clarity without creating halos. You finish by balancing contrast and local levels so text stands out. Use curves to darken strokes and lift the background slightly. Then apply selective sharpening with a small radius between 0, 5 and 1. 5px and moderate strength around 20–60%, focusing only on the letters. Once done, flatten a copy for export, save as PNG or TIFF to avoid compression. If you see ringing or halos, reduce strength or radius, switch to a different deblur kernel, and remask the effect to prevent artifacts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.